Hello and welcome to the iGameOver channel. Welcome to the new series. You asked for it. I've been working on it for quite a while, and as some of you probably seen my posts on Twitter or Instagram, I have been working on that series for a while now. I've been, posting pictures and such. But anyway, the new series is here, and we're going to dive a little bit more in depth on how to actually build a computer. Now, this series is intended for the people that want to build their own computers but either don't know how to do it or are, not exactly confident in their skills or just would like some refresher, right? To see how it's done. And we're going to be building a mini ITX, okay? So a small form factor gaming PC. This is a PC that is capable of gaming even at high details at 40p. Yeah, 40p. So it's pretty good, and that's full HD 1080p is going to be a very, very capable machine. So let me give you a little bit rundown of what we're going to do. This is just obviously an intro, but after the intro, we're going to cover 7 major parts or components of the computer, and I'm going to show you how to install each and every one of those, all in glorious 4K, by the way. And then at the end, as a 8th part, okay, we're going to do one big video that will show the entirety of the build. So from 0 to 100%, okay, completion in one video. So it's going to be like that. Parts for those that want some in-depth installation guide. So those that want to see step by step how to actually do it and what comes after what, okay? And then at the very end, it's going to be one big video that is going to it's going to be like a run through of everything that we've done, just briefer, okay? And some speed ups and everything like that. And then those that will still want, they can reference to the parts video, okay? How I'm going to do it is that right now, I'm going to upload the first part, okay, which will be about how to install a graphics card, okay? And then after that, every week on every Monday, I will upload next part. Why every week, you say? Well, because I don't want to pull any stops on this. I want to give you guys the best. So I'm working with After Effects, I'm working with, different kind of programs to give you as visually stunning and entertaining and clean overview of how to do it, so that by the time you're done with this course, you will know exactly how to build your computer and you should be fairly confident how to do it. So without further ado, let's jump to the first part, which is how to install a graphics card. And if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the new releases when they come, okay? So let's dive right to it. Peace, bye.